Hello, IG Garage family. Is your car idling too high? Do you feel like your engine is revving more than it should, even when you're not pressing the gas? If your check engine light is on and you're seeing P0507, idle control system RPM higher than expected, then you've got a problem that needs fixing. In this video, I'll explain what this code means, where the idle air control, IAC, valve or throttle body is located, and how to fix it. Stick around till the end because I'll also recommend two important videos, P0266, cylinder 2 contribution balance fault, and P0203, injector circuit malfunction cylinder 3. Let's get started. What does P0507 mean? The P0507 code is triggered when the engine control module, ECM, detects that the idle RPM is higher than the manufacturer's specified range. This can lead to increased fuel consumption, rough idling, or even unexpected acceleration. Symptoms of P0507 include high or erratic idle speed, above normal RPM, engine taking time to settle to idle after acceleration, increased fuel consumption, check engine light, CL, illuminated, and possible stalling when slowing down. Common causes of P0507 are a dirty or faulty throttle body. Carbon buildup restricts airflow, causing higher idle vacuum leaks. A leak in the intake system allows unmetered air to enter. Faulty idle air control, IAC, valve. The IAC valve may be stuck open, increasing RPM. PCV valve issues. A stuck open PCV valve can lead to a vacuum leak, and a faulty mass airflow, MAF sensor incorrect air readings can affect idle speed. The idle control system components depend on the vehicle type. Throttle body location, found between the air intake hose and the intake manifold. Look for a circular metal housing with a butterfly valve inside. Many modern cars use an electronic throttle body instead of a separate IAC valve. Idle air control, IAC, valve location. If your car has an IAC valve, it's usually mounted on the throttle body. It's a small cylindrical sensor with an electrical connector. Vacuum leaks. Check. Inspect all vacuum hoses near the intake manifold and PCV system. Look for cracks, disconnected hoses, or broken seals. Pro tip: if you're unsure, follow the air intake tube from the air filter box. It will lead you directly to the throttle body and IAC valve. Clean the throttle body. Use a throttle body cleaner to remove carbon buildup. Gently open the butterfly valve and clean the edges. Check for vacuum leaks. Listen for hissing sounds around the intake manifold. Spray brake cleaner near hoses and see if the RPM changes. Test the IAC valve if equipped. Remove and inspect the idle air control valve for dirt or damage. Replace it if necessary. Inspect the PCV valve. A stuck open PCV valve can cause high idle. Replace it if it rattles or feels clogged. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the check engine light. Drive the car and see if the idle stabilizes. And that's how you diagnose and fix P0507, idle control system RPM higher than expected. If you want to prevent this issue, clean your throttle body regularly and check for vacuum leaks. For more repair tips, watch these two important videos next. P0266, cylinder 2, contribution balance fault, and P0203, injector circuit malfunction, cylinder 3. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to IG Garage, and turn on notifications for more expert car repair videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.